Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and MDC of the area, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, conducted an inspection of roads in Nongrah, including 2 in Dong Nonglum and Dong Nong Marboh. The inspection was attended by Village Headman Dinis Lynrah, engineers from the PWD Roads, contractors, members of the Nongrah Village Executive Committee, local women's and youth groups and other stakeholders. Village leaders expressed gratitude to Pyniaid Sing Syiem for his dedicated efforts in securing road development schemes within a short span of time. The projects are expected to commence in the coming weeks. Pyniaid Sing Syiem announced the 3 vital road projects in Nongrah, including 2 in Dong Nong Marboh near Windermere, would soon be completed. He highlighted the challenges faced by residents due to the lack of proper roads, which had disrupted daily life and mobility for years. The schemes were secured through the PWD department with the support of the PWD Minister and Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Preston Tensong.
Ketika step ketika si ke bakaman ya kamtam mi arli kidong bat ya senang borak kawai kaba la slam ngila kmi lenti banyo ya surok ke bapa ngai menta ha jing system bat kejing sebun museum kejing yo jing yu nong elam ubakit kya kemu ba banyak te kini kejing trang jing ni brio sene baro ki basong ni arli kidong menta step idap da kejing kemen ba tang hikini ki kendiat sini kin sedang ban siang rong no ya kini surok te na kaliang senang borak kawai ngai kulai suo ni pi banyak to blai ndon kap pi mungkin lenti pi bat menang pencai ru pi kenang ba pinang la menteri khamba susu ya konstituensi jeng pi pat ya kari pi barak koi
ngiyo ban wan ban pendep ya kini ke jing jurep ya kini ki laiteli ki srok badan kamba hang ni po shnong nongra te kawai arteli ki de ki surok hang tai ha po dong nong marbo kawai kalong ba persha ya ka gate jong ka Windermere kaba labun teli ki senam menta ki labun ki yeng ki badan hak tu ki jaka henry 4 dan 4 ya ka surok ka babiang te kani ka jing bomdan ya ka surok hak tu ki jaka kalawan ra ya ka jing thut hakaya ka yeng haka lek kawan jong ki nong song dong hak tu ka dong te ngilai kendu mene ya ki nong song dong hang tu bat ki lapen pau ya kata ka jing sokya hak bede bat ka jing long jing man jong itu ki surok tenak kaliang jungi kumba nilayo ya ka ni ka surok lingba ka PWD department da ka jingerap jong deputy chief minister iba Preston Tensong te ngiyo mentas ngi banwan rekat bagi engineer ki contractor nam taban pentrei kamstet ya ka ni ka kam ka ba arpat la yo ru ban pe ya ka wei pak ka surok apo nong marbo hi ka ba bun teli ki yeng le siki bala mat ya ka jing e khamtam ha ka pang kastom ban ra iki nongpang neki yang kijongki nama bambiang ke surok ingin sa pentip kat no ka sanction jong ni ke surok te shen ingin sa pentip le se ingin sa pha daka bat ingin spenyo ni ka sanction order nak bentak ni ka surok